It's another commute guide vlog. In today's video, we are going to Baler. It's 5 hours away from Manila lies Baler. Gulf is one of the best surfing destinations in the Philippines. The most direct way to get to Baler is via the Joy Bus of Genesis Transport in Cubao. You can also reach Baler via Victory Liner bus to Cabanatuan and ride a bus from Cabanatuan to Baler. We ride the 2x2 executive bus to Baler, which departs at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Make sure to be there around 5 a.m. as it departs on time. Executive Joy Bus to Baler offers restroom inside the bus. And also, fare is 650 per person. You also have an option to take deluxe, which is 100 pesos cheaper than the executive bus. Other freebies of riding an executive bus is they have free pandesal and bottled water. Sobrang happy kami ni Hubby since this is our first time to experience this libreng pandesal and bottled water. We can rate our executive Joy Bus experience 4 out of 5. Price is sulit since the seats are very comfortable at hindi mo mararamdaman yung masyadong alog while you travel. Plus, gusto ko talaga yung wide window for me to enjoy more the view while traveling. Finally, after 5.5 minutes, we reach the surfing capital of the Philippines, Baler. Going to your resort or hotel from Baler Terminal is very easy. May nakaparadang mga tricycle na pwede nilang sakyan. And the fare is just 17 pesos per person. Hola! After I guess 10 minutes, we arrive at CUBE Baler. Oops! Bibitinin ko muna kayo guys. If you want to see our tour and experience in CUBE Baler, see you on our next video. Hey! If you are traveling to find some peace and just relax from the busyness of life, please bring this in your luggage. Yes, God loves you and He cares for you. I pray that after you travel, you realize how much God loves you. Bye and God bless. See you on our next vlog.